Hey guys, this is Heath from Tulip. We are here at the Microsoft booth at Hannover Messe. I'm going to quickly walk you through an assembly use case and how we are capturing all the assembly data here from the shop floor and sending it to Microsoft Data Fabric. So here I am selecting a work order, getting some information from my ERP, which is Dynamics. I have a list of parts that I need to confirm. I can simulate the scans here, and then I quickly simulate all of the parts. Now I come into a work instructions use case where I need to make sure that I'm assembling my piston correctly. I will check all the 3 steps that I have done them correctly, and now I will come into a step where I need to torque my piston. While I'm doing all this data that I'm capturing around cycle times, how much I have torqued the piston, all of this data is being sent to Microsoft Fabric in real time. As I complete my assembly, I'm generating some inspection plans, and finally I can come in, print my label, and finish the assembly of my part. Now we can look at our Power BI dashboard that is going to be powered by all the data that we have collected throughout our assembly process. And while this loads, this is our production count and cycle time that we took for assembling this part. I can also now query all this data using the factory agent. I have a couple of example questions here, so I can ask what are all of my unique equipments. So factory copilot here is looking at the Fabric database and telling me the unique equipments I have. If I want to quickly look at all the idle events for a given equipment, this will also show me some important insight into the data that I have captured using Microsoft Data Fabric.